everyone, Squiggle Mom here, Trish Soy Sue, and today I'm going to tell you about masks. I've been making a lot of masks, and I think you know that. We started with the mask that is totally unwearable because I didn't know what a mask looked like. I had never sat down to look at a surgical mask, so I put a pleat, just one, and felt in between. And it was just meant as a prototype. It never got beyond prototype stage. I found a pattern for a cup-shaped mask on a website called Craft Passion. We made a lot of those masks. We found a material, and it's this material that I want to share with you. It's called polypropylene. This particular form of polypropylene is created through two processes. It's spun bonded and it's melt blown. Between those two processes, it creates a breathable, very small, closely bound material. So particles that are very small are prevented from going through this material. Spun bonded and melt blown. This is called Halyard H600. We started using this material. It's used in autoclaving, sterilization of instruments, and we made a lot of masks out of it. We were validated by a number of agencies that started putting out directions on how to make the mask. So there was the University of Florida Department of Anesthesiology, and more recently, I think in November, this is December 30th, in November, the WHO, World Health Organization, put out an instruction, an updated instruction on what's the best kind of mask to make. They came up with a 3-layer mask system, which had on the outside polyester or polyester cotton blend, which is a little hydrophobic. In other words, it does not absorb moisture. It repels it. A polypropylene middle. It has a slightly electrostatic charge to it, and you can reduce the charge by rubbing it for 20 minutes. 20 seconds. There is that 20-second number. And it helps to charge it so that the particles will be attracted to it. Moisture particles and droplets. And on the middle, they're suggesting a cotton layer which will absorb your moisture that comes out of your mouth. So in one direction, it's preventing you from infecting someone else. In the other direction, it's preventing all of those things from going into the mask and becoming part of the mask. So that is my findings for as of December 30th, 2020. But you know, we know that research finds new stuff and things will change. But that's what I have for you today. We do have this polypropylene in the Fashion Mask store online, and you can pick it up at Shoreline Village if you let us know that you're coming. And I may make some adjustments to the masks I'm making, some of the masks I'm making, now that we have this new updated guidance. And I just want to tell you thanks for watching, and keep on checking out the vids. Bye.
We're all in this together.
Todos juntos en esto.
我们永远在一起。
우리 모두 다 같이 이겨내요.
みんなで頑張りましょう。
We're all in this together.